Today is June 6th. I'm Barbara.
And I am Vicky.
And this is
Simon Says.
We are standing on the Tawatina footbridge, and we are recognized that we are on Treaty 6 territory.
The 550 paintings on this bridge were created by David Ganu, whose native family settled in this area in 1874.
That's almost 150 years ago.
Hey Barbara, why do we announce Treaty 6?
Well, Treaty 6 is a land acknowledgement statement, but we are acknowledging that the First Nations people were on this land long before the settlers. The First Nations people were here 10,000 years ago or more, and the Europeans first came here less than 300 years ago. So we are acknowledging they were the first peoples on this land. It's now week 5. It's important to read the writing on the wall or check with your teacher about your progress in class. This week in the SEC, it will be something to write home about because our theme is Write Well. On Tuesday, we will have a guest speaker from the Center for Writers. This is an excellent opportunity for you to learn about an important resource on campus. On Wednesday, we have Kahoot Cup! And Vicky will show us her write-up about the standings so far. Also, Wednesday is our reading and writing workshop. Thursday, Conversation Club.
We also ask our students some questions about writing. Let's see what do they think about it. Hi Ayuka, why do you write the diary?
I like writing something, and it is good way for me to organize and reflect what I feel or what I did or what I experienced.
The reason why learning writing well is important is to express your own idea effectively and correctly. Through writing, we can learn quiet grammar and effective way to express your opinion. And also, when we write the essay on your own, we know where should we put the essential idea and keywords. So when we read the essay written by other students or people, you can understand the main idea and what they also want to tell you easily. So learning writing improve, of course, writing skills, but also communication and reading skills. So I think learning writing well is really important for students.
I think reading a book is a good way to improve our writing skills because we can learn many vocabularies and how to use them from books. And also I think practice every day is important.
Thanks everyone for participating in our Kahoot Cup. Here's the result. We still have 3 more games in this term, so you still have a chance to beat Tori's class. Good luck! If you haven't joined the Friday Adventure yet, come with us this Friday. We are going to the observatory on campus. We will observe the sky and look at the sun with the telescope, and it's free. But we only can take 15 people to join us this time. So if you are interested, please sign up faster and I will send the link on Wednesday.
I'm burning.
You should enjoy the sunshine.
Yeah. I'm burning. Look, my skin is red.
It's good.
No, it's not.
It's not good. Okay. Will you join SEC Adventure next time?
Yes, of course. Yes. Yes.
Yay! And this one.